Hi guys! So, for the past few days and for the past few weeks, most of my friends and some of mga kakilala are noticing my skin. So, dati, I was like, yes, I am fair. So, my skin is fair. But recently, they've noticed that my skin is healthier and it's glowing. So, that is because I think of the supplement that I'm taking. Okay, so, hindi ko na siya gatekeep. I'm gonna share to you the product that I've been using for almost 3 months now, and it's a supplement that you must be taking every day. So kung hindi kayo yung tipo ng taong masipag uminom ng gamot, then this is not for you. Okay, so I'm gonna share to you the new product in the market. Actually, hindi siya new, hindi siya bago, matagal na siya sa market, although ngayon lang siya nagiging hype at nagiging mas kilala since it's been endorsed by a famous actress in Philippines. So yeah, I've been taking New White. Ginagamit ko na siya for 3 months now. Actually, I have an empty bottle here. Natapon ko na yung una eh. Kasi parang for the first month, ganun, hindi mo pa siya mapapansin. So, nanalig lang ako sis. So, ito siya. It has 30 capsules already. This is, ito na yung mga bago ngayon, the S-acetylglutathione. Because the traditional glutathione that we're taking is the, diba, L-glutathione. So this one is the S-acetylglutathione, which has 30 capsules. And it has collagen, vitamin E, and sodium ascorbate. So when we're talking about vitamin C, sodium ascorbate is better. Okay? Although, along with this is their vitamin C, which is this is the best vitamin C that I've ever taken in my entire life. Kasi this is the first vitamin C na merong collagen, zinc, with niacinamide, and rose hips. So kahit nga vitamin C lang, okay na, sapat na eh. But we, in 30s, okay, our collagen in our body and our skin is decreasing. So we must help our skin, our body produce collagen with the use of this too. Okay, so I am taking this every day. I'm taking this actually at night. I'm taking this at night kasi si vitamin C nakakapagpasarap talaga siya ng tulog for real. Okay, it has collagen kasi nga may collagen siya. We know that collagen, it helps repairs our cells in our bodies. So this is what I'm really taking. This that is my proof. Wala na siyang laman actually. You can see it's empty. And I also have the vitamin C here, which is empty. Actually sa vitamin C, I am taking second bottle, but the New White, I believe pangatlo, pang-apat ko na rin to. So you must try it, and if you have the budget for this, okay, then go for it. Cause to be honest, skincare is not enough.